So what's up guys? Today maglalaro nga pala ako ng Grow a Garden 2. Ay. So I never played this game before. Hindi pa ako nakakalaro nito guys. We grow a garden na. These are actually natutulog kapatid ko kaya tahimik lang. Let's buy this carrot. Yeah, let's buy the carrot. Wait, where's my garden? Chimanta! But wait, I have a question. Is this game made by Jandal? Is this game made by Jandal? Or who made it? Is it Sammy? I'm just wondering. Why the fuck would Sammy make a Grow a Garden 2 game? Pokemon card video, but I'm actually not getting it. Like, bro, y'all know it's a trend. Like, none of the people that uploaded those things give any. So, yeah. Bro, like, and subscribe. Like, if y'all actually don't subscribe, I'm kidding. Just joking. I'm never quitting YouTube. I love you. Ang dami kong pera po. Wala, ang dami ko ng pera guys. Love it, love it, love it, love it. $100, I think $100. Tomato o tulong? Mas marami lang. Tapos blueberry. Pero so rich, nigga. Chaka. Yung bamboo guys for early game, siya yung pinakamaganda na plan. For early game, for early game. So I'm definitely making a part 2. Can someone just please comment a genuine answer to my question earlier about if this is my branding? I hope it is. Like, and like that. This is what my favorite comment is. I'm a friend whoever comment is what my favorite Roblox is. And our video is free. All I want to say is we have powers and swords so we can fight. So yeah, that's my only clue with this. Because I don't think because if y'all want to be good, y'all need to work hard for it. And anyways, let's just go back to the game. Send my inventory. Paldo, grow a garden to Paldo. Grow a garden to Paldo. Ay, gagi. Pag may nag-steal talaga, kupal ko mo. Kupal. Ay, steal ako. Takbo, kupal. Takbo ko. Teka lang, pag may kuha ng garden ko. Kupal kayo luba ko. Tingnan yung garden ko. Tapos, tinagod ka. Oh, palo. Ay, teka lang. Paano ano lang? Pipindutin mo lang. Punta ka lang dito. Teka lang. Pag pumasok ka lang, tapos pag tumano ka lang. Paldo tayo, bossing. Mag-i-steal tayo ng sobrang daming pera. Paldo, boss. Paldo tayo dyan, boss. Paldo tayo dyan, boss. Ano? Ang dami ko ng pera, boss. Ay, mag-release ko na. Bro, ba't ko kamay ko? Ba't ko kung anong plan tapos kamay ko pa. Ito yung garden. Mayroon tayo dito guys. And mag-comment kayo kung gusto nyo pa gumawa ako ng video. And tapos kayo ng game. Manunod kayo sabi sa sabihin. Ba't wala kang pinapos? Ba't wala kang pinapos? Wala na akong idea. Hindi pa ako pinapos. Sulit nagpayaman ko sa akin itong nagpagparang ko lang ito. Ubusin ko na yung bundle. Dahil good yan po ang sino ba? Tulong ko, tulong ko. I'm a happy baby day, so good with you. Ang dami ko ng pera. Paldo tayo bossing. 11,000 salamat sa libreng pera. Nabili na ako ng ito. Ay, wala ko. Ito. Daga. Ay, front pa sa akin. Wala natin itong gear. Baka may sprinkler. Ba't walang sprinkler? Madaya kayo ah. Wala, super hot. Paano ko makakuha yun, boss? Ano ba? 3,000. Tapos bili tayo ng sida. Tapos yung nag-restock, marami na. Ayan o, kupal na. Kupal ka dyan din, ha? Kupal ka talaga dyan din. Kupal ka dyan din. Hindi yan, mami. Yung Shopee, ano ba yan? Wala naman ang siguro no. Lagyan ko ng carbon spray. Release paldo. Lagyan ko ng termo. Tapos paano mag-commutation to? Ba't ang tagal maggabi? Basically, that's it for today.